And we're on final approach. Kenyan Airways Flight 795. Landing at Kigali, Rwanda.
Feet stabilized, Mr. Birchall, suit set.
Thank you. This is runway 28, and yeah, it's hot and gusty. So it was fun playing with the control column all the way down on final. Rwanda is very, has a lot of mountains. Yeah. Very high terrain. It's 5,000 feet above sea level here. Yeah. So yeah, so see the airplane's going left and right. It's really cool because it's simulating the thermals and everything like that off the the hot air off the land. So yeah, it was fun. It was fun wrestling it. Windy and hot.
400. 300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
And it's a small little airport in Rwanda. Nice long runway, thank goodness for that. Yeah, I understand now why Africa has such long runways. I mean, the air is so thin and it's hot, and the elevations are really high. Yeah. And here I'm going to come to a stop because I'm just wondering, okay, now where in the hell am I going to park this thing? Then I look around and I say, oh, okay, I think I found one. So, welcome to Kigali. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Kigali or Kigali, Rwanda. Very small, yeah. Very small airport, and all these airplanes are here. So that makes it kind of hard to find a parking spot anyway. I put it right in between those two right there. Alright. Hope you like that, man. Welcome to Rwanda.